Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Link chart continues to consolidate there. We are still below resistance. So at the moment, this $14.20 resistance level here is still being respected, which is the 38.2 retracement, and without a break above this week's high, which was formed on Monday, I think. Yeah, which was formed on Monday, and the level was around $14.75. I mean, without breaking above that level, there's literally no evidence at all that a low is in. Even breaking above that, it's not really confirmation. At least we're then breaking above the recent high, but we know from an Elliott wave point of view, it could still easily just be an ABC rally, for example, as highlighted by the yellow wave count that you are aware of here. Basically that it's just forming a larger ABC structure, and this rally here is simply a B wave rally, and as long as we only see 3 waves to the upside, we could still see the price come down again. But most important is that the price already reacted to that support region here. So we've seen already a reaction to the 38.2 retracement level. And yeah, I mean, I talked about this level before and highlighted to you it's very much in the region of a wave 4 of 1 lesser degree. That's typically a common target area for a wave 2. But again, it's only a guideline. It's only a guideline. It's not a rule. It's just a level to watch. It's basically just previous swing low support, and that could complete the wave 2. Even if we get one more low, I would still consider that as in the region of a previous wave 4 of 1 lesser degree. And that low here was around 1260. I mean, we did slightly break that. That's absolutely fine. We've literally only just entered the main support area. I wouldn't call that super reliable that the wave 2 has to end sort of in that region, but it's just an additional guideline. Typically, when you get a fib level, which we had here at 1280, together with structural support, it should offer some support. There was a bounce, but not yet enough buying momentum to indicate that a more substantial low has formed. Obviously, as you are aware, if you followed previous videos, we followed this 5-wave move to the upside from the June lows, and the 5-wave move completed here in March. We're now moving down in this corrective pullback, which is labeled a WXY. Could also be an ABC. Not really a great difference. If it's a C wave here, it's an ending diagonal. I've labeled it as WXY, and one more low is still something we have to consider, because we have a WXY and in the Y wave AB, and we're now in the C wave, and that C wave is a 5-wave move. We only completed waves 1, wave 2, wave 3. This wave 4 may be completed, then wave 5 is now unfolding. A break above the Monday high would mean that at least the wave 4 is not finished. Okay, maybe wave B is already unfolding. So it depends on basically the structure that develops if we break resistance. So if we break above the Monday high, then I would explore this just as a corrective rally. Okay, if it's a wave 4 or if it's a B wave, it doesn't even really matter, because it's just corrective. It indicates that this is part of this ongoing correction still, and we get one more low either in the yellow C wave or in the white, in the white wave 5 basically, okay, to complete one more low. If from that low a 5-wave pattern unfolds, then it clearly can't be a B wave, and it clearly can't be a wave 4. Then I will assume the low is already in, and if that's the case, yeah, there's typically no panic, no rush needed. If 5 waves form, then the subsequent 3-wave pullback could offer an entry point for anybody who hasn't entered yet or wants to wait for a little bit more confirmation and clarification. Either way, a B-wave rally, even a corrective rally, could offer some profit-taking opportunities for anybody who entered in the yellow support zone. I mean, that's what these zones are for. You can just scale in, and then see where it goes. The reward to risk ratio is great anyway, because the next larger rally should send Link to $90 plus. The condition here is that the $6.90 level is holding. Below $6.90, I don't really have a bullish outlook on Link, but as long as that level is holding, I have, and that just gives us a very good reward to risk ratio. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.